Hello everyone, this is Geetanjali from Maharani Science College for Women, Bengaluru. Topic is Lycopodium, its morphology and anatomy. Lycopodium belongs to division Lycophyta, class Eligulopsida, order Lycopodiales and family Lycopodiaceae. Lycopodium is commonly called club moss. Let us know about the introduction. Lycopodium is a cosmopolitan genus consisting of 200 species. In India, only 33 species have been reported, which grow in eastern Himalayas and South Indian mountains. They prefer to grow in cool, moist, humus rich soil. They are epiphytic, for example, Lycopodium phlegmaria and Lycopodium linifolium. They may be erect and shrubby, for example, Lycopodium lucidulum, Lycopodium reflexum, etc. They may be erect and terrestrial, for example, Lycopodium anotinum. They may be creepers, for example, Lycopodium clavatum, Lycopodium cernum, and some may be climbers, for example, Lycopodium volubile. Now let us know about Lycopodium morphology. The plant body of Lycopodium is a diploid sporophyte which is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Roots are dichotomously branched, adventitious. Sometimes cortical roots can also be seen in Lycopodium salagum. The stem is dichotomously branched. It is pseudomonopodial, that is, unequal dichotomy can be seen. Leaves are simple, small, and sessile. They possess single median vein. Margin may be either entire or serrate. They lack ligule and they are spirally arranged. They may be decussate or whorled. The genus Lycopodium is divided into two subgenera. They are Eurostachya and Raphalostachya because Lycopodium shows great variation in structure. In Eurostachya, the members are erect or pendulous with dichotomous branches. Roots arise from the basal region. Sporophylls look like leaves and occur at the tip of branches or along with sterile leaves. Plants usually form bulbils. Example Lycopodium phlegmaria. In Rhophalostachya, the members are creeping with erect branches. The stem is monopodial and bears adventitious roots at the branching. Sporophylls have dentate margins and occur in strobili, for example, in Lycopodium cernum. Now let us know about Lycopodium anatomy. Let us know about the anatomy of Lycopodium root. The TS of Lycopodium root is differentiated into epidermis, cortex and stele. The epidermis consists of single layer of cells. Some of the cells bear unicellular root hairs which are seen in pairs. The cortex is several layered. Cells of outer region are thick walled and cells of inner region are thin walled. The endodermis and pericycle may be absent. Stele is usually diarch, sometimes tetrarch or polyarch. Xylem is present in the center. It is crescent shaped with protoxylem at both of its ends. This is said to be exarch in condition. Phloem is in the tetrarch condition. Pith may be absent. Now let us know about the anatomy of Lycopodium stem. TS of Lycopodium stem is differentiated into epidermis, cortex and stele. Epidermis is single layered, cells are cutinized and stomata are present. Cortex. Variety of cortex is seen and it is differentiated into outer, middle and inner cortex. In Lycopodium cernum, the outer and inner are parenchymatous, middle cortex is sclerenchymatous, whereas in Lycopodium clavatum, outer and inner cortex are sclerenchymatous, middle cortex is parenchymatous. The innermost layer of cortex is endodermis, consisting of cells with Casparian strips. The stele is protostelic in condition, which is surrounded by single layered pericycle. In Lycopodium cernum, mixed protostele can be seen. In Lycopodium clavatum, proto, plectostelic protostele, and in Lycopodium phlegmaria, actinostele can be seen. Now let us know about anatomy of Lycopodium leaf. The TS of Lycopodium leaf is differentiated into epidermis, mesophyll and vascular tissue. In Lycopodium clavatum, leaf has triangular outline, but in Lycopodium selago, the leaf is almost flattened. Epidermis is the outermost layer which is covered over by cuticle and few stomata are present. The leaves may be either amphistomatic or hypostomatic. Mesophyll is undifferentiated and it consists of loosely arranged chlorenchymatous cells with intercellular spaces. Vascular tissue. A single vascular strand is present in the center. The central xylem is surrounded by phloem. Now the summary session. Lycopodium is commonly called club moss, ground pines or creeping cedars. They are flowerless, vascular, terrestrial or epiphytic plants. Leaves lack ligule, which are called microphylls. The anatomy of root, stem and leaf are known. They show variation in steles.